Hi, hello students. Welcome to SEMS Grade 8 online classes. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Myself, I am Shashikala. I will teach you Grade 8 Science. Dear students, today let's start. Let us learn about Grade 8 Science in that first chapter, Crop Production and Management. Crop Production and Management. There is how many people are there in world? 7.7 billions of people are there in the world. What about in our India? 1.37 billion people are there in India. To lead their lives and to survive their population need much more food materials and also some other products. From where we will get that food materials to lead their life? Where we will get? From the agriculture. From the agriculture only we will get food materials and some other products. Let's see now about agriculture. Okay dear students, agriculture is the one of the main occupation in India. Main occupation in India. 159.7 million hectares of India land is under the cultivation of crops. 159.7 million hectares of India land is under the cultivation of crops. And so many people are depending upon this agriculture. What is mean by agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of soil for growing crops and nurturing the animals to provide food and other products. Food and other products. Cultivation of soil to grow crops and nurturing animals. Nurturing for animals to provide food and other products. This is the meaning for agriculture. Main thing is growing crops. Growing crops and nurturing the animals. So what is mean by crops, dear students? What is mean by crops? Same kind of plants grown in the large scale. Same kinds of plants cultivating on the large scale, that is called crops. Same kinds of plants. Cultivating on large scale. This is called crops. Crops are classified on the basis of season. There is two kinds. That is Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Let's see now each meaning and its examples. Kharif crops. First we are going to learn about Kharif crops. Kharif crops are the type of crops which are grown during the rainy season or which are sown during the rainy season. Why? why these crops are sown in the rainy season? Because to survive their crops, it needs more water or it requires lots of water. So that these crops are grown in the rainy season only. When it starts rainy season, it starts from June to September. June to September. Rainy season starts from June to September. During these months, these crops are grown or sown. What are the examples of kharif crops? Maize, paddy, groundnut, cotton, soya bean, etc. These are the some examples for kharif crops. Now let's see about rabi crops. Yes, students, you know about kharif crop. Kharif crop is a type of crop. It is sown during the rainy season. It is sown in the month of June to September. Why it is sown in the rainy season only? It needs or it requires lots of water. So these crops are grown in the rainy season itself. Let's see now another time, that is a rabi crop. Rabi crop also a type of crop. It is sown during the winter season. Winter season. It starts from October to March. October to March. Why these crops are sown in the winter season? It does not require more water. It's enough the less water. So these crops are sown in the winter season. Example for these rabi crops are wheat, pea, mustard, and etc. These are the some examples for rabi crops. Dear students, you know about agriculture and meaning of crops and also its types of crops along with examples. And next class we will see about crop production process.